Built to perform, a true workhorse in the kitchen, hard anodized aluminum retains perfect heat and has a much stronger protective layer than the original metal, making it corrosion and scratch resistant, plus it won't react to acidic foods. Heat Mastery System. T-fal's Heat Mastery System is a 3-ingredient recipe for perfectly delicious cooking results every time: superior and longer-lasting non-stick coating, and anti-warping, even heat base and patented thermospot technology. Thermospot indicator. The ring around the spot turns solid red to show when pans are perfectly preheated and ready for ingredients to be added. Proper preheating is key to sealing in flavor and cooking food evenly. Durable non-stick. Hard titanium reinforced, scratch-resistant and toxin-free non-stick interior stands up to everyday use and keeps food sliding smoothly along the surface, making cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. Riveted handles and vented lids. Riveted silicone handles are designed for comfort and safety. Vented tempered glass lids maintain visibility, while trapping enough heat and moisture for perfect results every meal. Use and care. Suitable for all stovetops, except induction, oven safe up to 400°F, lids up to 350°F, dishwasher safe, PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free, lifetime limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite pan. This has become my all-time favorite pan for frying anything. It has a very tough non-stick coating and everything just slides off it. It's a breeze to clean up with just a paper towel. I have washed it a few times when something was burnt on, but all it needed was warm water, no detergent. I only had to let it sit for a few minutes and the burnt food slid right off. I'm very impressed, having had disappointing experiences with non-stick fry pans in the past which lost their non-stickiness very quickly. I've had it a couple of months now, and use it practically every day. Looks just as good as new. The other thing I really like about it is that it is perfectly flat, and with a ceramic top. This is important.